There is a very distinct exhaustion that only empaths know. It is the heaviness that sinks into your chest when you walk into a room and instantly feel the undercurrents of what others are hiding. It is the way that your stomach twists when someone near you is angry, even if they smile politely. It is the tears you feel in your own throat when you see beside someone who didn't speak yet. This sensitivity is not weakness, it is brilliance. Your nervous system is a tuned instrument capable of registering subtle cues others never notice. But brilliance without boundaries becomes suffering. Most empaths were not born into environments where their sensitivity was understood. Instead, many grew up in spaces where tuning into other moods was not optional. It was survival. A child who senses when a parent is about to explode learns to soften their tone. A child who feels the sadness under unspoken words learns to offer comfort before it is asked. And over time, this hyper-attunement becomes identity. Neuroscience explains this through the mirror neuron system. These neurons fire not only when you perform an action, but when you observe others performing it. In empaths, this system is amplified. Their brain lights up as if they were living the other's experience. The boundary between self and other blurs until emotional absorption feels like there is no choice. Then the limbic system reinforces this pattern. If your early nervous system encoded that safety depends on tracking others, your amygdala learns vigilance. You are wired to absorb because once absorbing kept you safe. But what was adaptive then becomes draining now. You may leave social gatherings feeling heavy without knowing why. You may wake up carrying grief that isn't yours, anger that was never born in you, fear that belongs to someone else's story. Without boundaries, your gift of resonance becomes a liability. And here is the thing. The gift does not need to be abandoned. It needs to be refined. Sensitivity does not mean collapse. Sensitivity with boundaries becomes mastery. This is the threshold we step into today, to shift from being a sponge to being a mirror, from leaking energy to radiate energy, from absorbing unconsciously to discerning consciously. Because your sensitivity is not here to drown you, it is here to expand you.